Okay, so in a previous video, I installed brand new exhaust on a brand new bike and also a power programmer. You can check all those videos out by clicking here. And I came home from lunch and I decided to take it for a quick spin. Now, I have an office job and I got to wear dress pants and, collared shirt and all that good stuff. So I got home, I started the bike, hopped on it, and later to find that I melted my freaking pants on the brand new bike, the brand new exhaust, and it just left a nasty spot of melted pants. Also, I touched the sole of my shoe on the exhaust and also left a little bit of mark. So there's no way I can give this back to the customer or to the owner with this brand new pipes and this nasty mark on there. So what you want to do is you want to take a pre-82 penny. Pre-82 pennies have a higher copper content. It is softer than the exhaust we're going to be scratching with this penny to remove this nasty mess. And it just takes a little bit of time, and then you can follow up with a little bit of semi-chrome polish, and it'll look good as new. So I'll just roll some footage of how to do that with a penny. What you can do is you can just take this, scrape, and it doesn't seem to be damaging the finish at all. Now, I tested on a spot down and, test in a spot where you can't see it. So if you to determine if it scratches it or not.